Said I'm over here just doing a song for you. Doing song for you. Doing song for you. Said I'm over here doing song it's just for you. Doing song for you. Doing song for you. Talk about you. I'm talking about you. Yeah. I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. Yeah. Alright. Said I seen you over there today. You over there doing your thing. You doing your things over there when things get hard, so hard. Said I know people's over there now, they here just messing with you. But still I said the things are just getting hard, getting hard. Talking about you. I'm talking about you. Yeah, let's go. Saying you. Talking about you. Yeah, let's go. Saying I seen everything and today I want to give you a song. This song over here today just shouting out you. Said I know people's over there now, they still just messing with you. But still I want to do a song for you. Said when you rock and when you roll, we rollin' just a with a flow. This dose over here, I know is for your soul, your soul. Said everybody know what's up, I'm doing this song today. And I hope this song will hit this right in your soul, your soul. I'm talking about you. Alright, talking about you. Yeah, let's go, saying you. I'm talking about you. Yeah, Saying every time I'm doing this song is just for me. But still I said the song made me happy. Cause I'm over here to get all the things I'm getting off my chest. So yes, I'm putting the song up on a beat. That beat over here that made me feel good, and I know you understand. Understand that music up just for my soul. Saying yes, I'm over here that right now I want you to go roll. Saying yes, I got the music over here for yo, for yo. Talk about you. I'm talking about you. Yeah, let's go. Saying you. I'm talking about you. Yeah. Alright, say now that I'm over here today, I wanna go sing a song. This song over here when I wanna talk about you, about you. Say everybody's over here trying to get so happy every day. But still I want to do a song for you, just for you. Say everybody doing your thing just having your dream. I know that you just want to be happy, happy. Say yes, I'm over here right now, just doing this thing for you. Cause I also want you just really happy, happy. I'm talking about you. Say everybody, yes, I want to show some love. Say yes, I want to show with some so you, to you. Say you, everybody know I'm here to just do my song. My song over here today to end just for you, for you. Say when we rock and when we roll, we rolling up with that flow. That flow when I'm doing they song today, today. Some people's going in and out, they want to say your name. But still we shouting out over here always, always. Say you, So what's going on when I'm just going up? Some people over here that when we get down. Say everyone that looking at me, that you know we selling it down. Say yes, I'm over here to just shout you out. Oh no, say you and me, now me and you, but still we rocking it up. We still over here today to just show that love, that love. Say you and me, now me and you, we still just getting it up. But still we over here to just shout it up. It up, talking about you. Let's go. Talk about you. Yeah. Let's go. Say you. I'm talking about you. Yeah. Alright. Say now that I just did a you song. That song just a chance for me. I know it's over here for you and me. Said I'm over here to own my guitar. I'm doing it with a beat. Some people say that yes, it's just what you see. You see. Say you and me, the and you. Oh yes, we holding it down. But still I'm over here to just to show some love. But still I'm over here today. I'm here just to shout you up. Because I'm giving you this virtual hug. This hug, I'm talking about you. Alright.